I want to show you how to use FX Master Code when trading binary options. And it's optimized for 3-minute binary options. So I highly recommend you use a binary options broker where you can trade 3-minute binary options. I've also backtested it for 5-minute binary options. So it still works for 5 minutes, but there's a small edge in trading 3-minute binary options. So if we look on the chart here, we see that we had a sell and we wait for the close of the candle and we enter right away on the next candle. And using 3 minutes, we can actually, on our binary broker here, if we click this icon down here, so this, it will be set to 3 minutes from the time we enter. And that's very helpful, especially when you try to get in trade as soon as possible. This will help a lot. So you basically set this to 3 minutes. You enter your trade amount based on your risk management, and then you just wait for a signal on TradingView here. So analyzing these signals here, why it's important with 3 minutes. We see here that 1, 2, 3, this closed down here, and since we took a sell, this closed in the money, so a win. We had a sell here, and this is the level, and 1, 2, 3, close here. This is below this level where you entered, so this would also be a win. We have an entry here, a sell, and this would most likely, depending on where you entered, but most likely a loss. This one here, entry here, 1, 2, 3, close here. This is our entry, so this is also a win. We have a sell here and 3 minutes from this, so 1, 2, 3. And you see, this is the advantage also of using binary options, because if you would have scalped this, you most likely would have been stopped out on this big candle here. But with binary options, the only thing that matters is where it closed compared to your entry. So you see, we have the entry level here and it closed down here after 3 minutes, so this is a win. Now we have a sell here. The thing about this trade is that it's after this undercut here, so we actually get a signal here now. So now we will basically wait for the close just to see that it's confirmed, and then we will place a buy here with 3-minute expiration at the close of the candle. This buy here would have been a win. Close here after 3 minutes. So new open, let's go in and buy here. So we're retracing some more, nothing wrong with that. What really matters here is if we close above this level after 3 minutes. Undercutting this low. So now we see how buyers come back in, and this is the thing why binary options is a good idea, because most would probably place their stop loss below here, and we see market is just undercutting that and then reversing quickly. So one thing I really like about this trade is this strong move here, and we now retraced down to this low, making a double bottom now with the undercut. So that technical analysis combined with the buy signal, that's a good probability trade. So we'll see how this play out. So you see, we're now in the money. And the thing here is FX Master Code is coded to find basically the area where sellers are exhausted and buyers are very likely to come in. So it's based on price action and levels. So it will give you buy signals based on support level when sellers are exhausted, so buyers are likely to come in. And same thing for sell signals. When buyers are exhausted, the market is likely to continue down. It will give you sell signals. So you see this closed in the money. We entered here on the close of this candle, so right when this started, and we had some deeper pullback here, undercutting this low, but buyers came in and a nice win on this trade. I hope this video helped. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to send me a message, and happy trading.